perfectly cooked 10-pound ham, a guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the art of ham cooking. We're going to focus on a 10-pound ham and discuss the recommended cooking time to achieve a tender, juicy, and flavor-packed result. Cooking a ham isn't complicated, but knowing the right cooking time is crucial.
What kind of ham are we dealing with?
First things first, it's important to understand what kind of ham you have. There are primarily two types of hams, fully cooked and uncooked. 1. Fully cooked. If your ham is fully cooked, also called ready to eat, it just needs to be warmed up. 2. Uncooked. If your ham is uncooked, or cook before eating, it needs to be cooked thoroughly.
What is the recommended cooking time for a 10-pound ham?
Now, let's talk about cooking times. 1. For a fully cooked ham, you need to heat it in an oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The recommended cooking time is about 15 minutes per pound. So, for a 10-pound ham, that would be approximately 150 minutes or 2.5 hours. 2. For an uncooked ham, you still want to use an oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the cooking time increases to approximately 20 minutes per pound. For a 10-pound ham, that translates to about 200 minutes or 3.33 hours.
Are there any other factors that can affect cooking time?
Yes, there are indeed. The thickness of the ham and the starting temperature, whether it's room temperature or straight from the refrigerator, can slightly impact the cooking time. Moreover, the type of oven you're using, conventional or convection, can also influence the cooking time. In a convection oven, the cooking time might be reduced due to the circulated hot air. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure your ham reaches the correct internal temperature. 140 degrees Fahrenheit for fully cooked ham and 145 degrees Fahrenheit for uncooked ham, followed by a rest period of 3 minutes. That's all for today. Remember, the key to a perfectly cooked 10-pound ham lies in understanding its type and the corresponding cooking time. Don't forget to use a meat thermometer to confirm its internal temperature. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to cook your ham confidently. Happy cooking!